What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Don't mind the bad quality. I'm vlogging from my phone right now because it was kind of a last minute decision to do some vlogging, but I decided since we've got the R8, we've got the RS5, and we've got the SQ7 down at Folsom Lake, we got Ethan taking some dope ass pictures. I figured, why not document this awesome opportunity? So I figured I would bust out the camera and show you guys what we got going on today. Check out these views. From this angle, it really doesn't look like much. We've just got your basic SQ7, a dinky little RS5, and some weak ass R8. But when we come down here, this is where the magic is. Oh, it's like a magazine. Dude, Audi, sponsor me. Sponsor me the 2023 Audi GT rear wheel series, the last one. Audi, if you're listening, any Audi executives, sponsor me the 2023 Audi R8 GT. That'd be pretty dope, huh?
It would.
And a big shout out to Jason.
I participated in the video.
A big shout out to Jason because he showed up last minute to drive one of the cars. He obviously chose the R8.
Yeah, it's gonna need more gas.
Yeah, I would have chose the R8 too, so I can't really hate. How many of you guys have been following my channel for a long time and remember that Ethan and I got the GTR stuck in the snow? Now what we're gonna do... Hold on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the R8 stuck in the sand. So, follow me. Let's see how this turns out.
Dude, I want to know how far we can take this thing.
We can take it pretty far. All right, so this is the spot where we've got the R8. So, we got the water. It's super low down here, but I mean, the view kind of sucks. No, actually, the view is amazing. I'm just kidding. We love you. So anyways, here's where we are. That's all I wanted to say. While Ethan takes pictures of the R8, quick little update on my car situation. So, in the last vlog, I was talking about how the R8 is for sale. And I was talking about how the R8 is for sale. It is definitely still for sale. If you are interested, please send me a DM on Instagram. That's R8_burnt_rubber. Also, I'd been talking a lot about picking up the new Nissan Z. My car that I had reserved became available, and I decided to pass on that car. Bro, stop interfering. I decided to pass on the Nissan Z. And the reason why is because I'm gonna sell the R8. I've got the Huracan, which is in New York. You guys can rent that. So if you're ever in New York, DM me so you can rent the Huracan. But I'm gonna be building the RS5. So I know that it's not as cool as the Z because the Z is such a trendy, hot car right now. But my personal preference is that I actually really enjoy Audi cars. There's something about a boosted all-wheel drive Volkswagen that I seem to like. So, bro, you're killing me.
All right, I'm done.
So anyways, with that being said, the R8's for sale and I'm not getting the Z. I'm keeping the Huracan and I'm keeping the RS5. I'm also keeping the SQ7, but that's the family car. That's gonna stay stock forever until the wife lets me put exhaust on it and tune it. But with all that being said, the RS5, I'm gonna start building it. So we're thinking we're gonna do intakes, we're gonna do downpipes, we're gonna do exhaust, and we're gonna do a tune. And we're gonna hit it with the E85. So once we hit it with all of those items, keep in mind, for all of you CHP out there, those are all stock items, so you don't have to worry about anything. Those are all stock items. So once we get all those items on the car, we should be pushing about 600 wheel horsepower in an RS5, which would be absolutely amazing. I totally made that number up, but I think it's doable. So we'll shoot for 600 to the wheels. With all that being said, I'm kind of rambling right now and I'm being distracted by everything that's going on. So with all that being said, I'm gonna bust out the drone in 3, 2, 1, let's go. did, bro.
That looks good.
Do you want the wheel at any angle?
No, it's fine like that. Windows up.
Let's a little bit of you.
Oh, look at
Okay, now windows up.
the,
Do the windows up, pull away. Boom. Ethan, everybody, my photographer. SAC perspective. I'll drop a link in the description below. Then we've got Jason Smith Real Estate, everybody. I'll drop a link to his page in the description below as well. And then last but not least, the SQ7. You guys, do not sleep on this car. I'm telling you, 500 horsepower, 560 pound-feet of torque. This thing is a beast. Boom, you hear that song it plays? Check this out. Check out the vibe. Wait for the vibe. Loading the vibe. There we go. Purple vibe. And then... All right, so we are gonna be building out the RS5. What do you guys think? We're gonna hit it with some dark blue wrap, and then I'm gonna hit it with some dark bronze wheels. I think it's gonna make this car look super, super sick, but I'm actually pretty excited to build this car out. I do really, really love this car, and I'm absolutely going to miss the R8. However, because we have the Huracan, we cannot keep the R8. However, once renting out, the Huracan goes really, really, really well. I will be buying, I don't know, another supercar daily of some sort, whether it's a Huracan for myself, another R8, maybe a McLaren. Not 100% sure. Jason's gonna beat me up.
Are you filming me or are you filming you?
I'm filming a lot of stuff. I'm filming
Oh,
you.
I thought you were filming yourself.
No, I'm filming the cars.
Oh.
That's why the hand is out. That's why the hand is out. This is a little behind the scenes moment when we're setting up the shot. There's actually a lot that goes into it. A lot of times people don't really think that a lot goes into it, but there's actually a lot that goes into it. We got to get the lighting, the sun, the angles. We got to get the cars placed. There's a whole bunch that goes into it. So when you guys see those dope shots on Instagram, dude, smash that like button and share it in your stories and leave a comment about how dope it is, because there's so much work that goes into it, especially when the picture is freaking amazing. Ethan with the boss move. You're gonna let me drive the R8. You know what? Absolutely. Because honestly, he just revs it way too much. And I know that you're much more responsible than him.
I'm gonna be so much more responsible. POV, I get hit by my own car.
Yeah. POV, get hitting by my own car. I like it. Bro. All right, you guys. Well, it's been fun. It was a short and sweet video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you
Fun today.
With all that being said, this video has come to an end, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for
Catch us in the next one.
Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. This will be a cool outro to the YouTube video. We got Jason in the RS5. I'm in the SQ7. When the light turns, we're going. Oh, I'm hanging. It's heavy, but I'm hanging. Ooh, I'm hanging. Oh my God, I didn't even realize how fast we were going. Hey, that was cool. If I could have launched, I probably could have taken him, or at least stayed like side by side. What a great way to end a YouTube video. Yo, check it out, bro. Check out my line of cars. The R8, the RS5, the SQ7. Audi, sponsor me.